Because it's not just with Tesla and the Foundation series going away leading to huge depreciation, it's just the same with electric cars in general because they are so darned expensive that when they reach the secondary market, the buyers there used are buying it at a much lower price point. Test drove a Lucid that was $155,000 new for $79,000, so half depreciation. The ride was a little bit too jittery for me, a little too harsh, but overall beautiful quality. Tesla Model 3s you can get now for under $20,000 with autopilot. You pay the subscription and you have autopilot. Audi e-tron, similar thing, about half off. There's so many EVs that are half off after 1 or 2 years of ownership where that makes a lot of sense to buy them. And maybe someday I will come back to the Cybertruck and buy it used, cheap, and depreciated, and then deal with all the issues and lose money that way, because that's how I like to lose money. But for now, just with straight up depreciation, it feels really, really stupid. And no, I am not worried about Tesla suing me, Elon suing me for selling this, because I did sign an agreement with Tesla when I configured this that I wouldn't sell it within a year. I'd give them first right of refusal at MSRP minus a mileage, and if they decline, then I could sell it. But I can sell it for MSRP right now to where I don't lose anything. So I'm not making any money, but Tesla could technically sue me for $50,000, and if that happens, it'll be ridiculous. They're not doing it to anybody. The worst thing they're doing is banning people from buying future Teslas, which if they do that to me, I guess I'll just deal with it.